Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a popular dish you can find in Chinese restaurants, garlic shrimp and broccoli. For this dish, I'm using 10 large shrimps, peeled and deveined, a large crown of broccoli, and half clove of peeled garlic. For the garlics, we're going to smash them first and roughly chop them up. For the broccoli, we're going to cut the crown into small pieces. If there's a large piece, try to cut it down to smaller pieces so everything can be cooked evenly. Don't throw away the stem part. Cut off the raw skin and then slice it. It will be very tender once cooked. Now let's prepare the sauce. We're going to use about a tablespoon of regular soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. We're going to add about a tablespoon of water and mix everything together. We're going to boil some hot water to blanch the broccoli first. This way the broccoli can be tender, yet keep its green color. We're going to season the water with some salt first, put the broccoli in, cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, then drain it and shock it with cold water. While the broccoli is blanching, we can start up on the stir fry. Heat up the wok, add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil, add half the garlic, and put in the shrimps. The shrimps will turn red quickly, so be sure to quickly flip them so both sides can be cooked. Cook the shrimps on high heat for a minute, then add the rest of the garlic. Add the broccoli and stir fry for a minute to warm up the broccoli. Then add the sauce and do the final stir fry. The sauce should be thickened quickly. Once it's thickened, the dish is done. Hope you learned how to cook this simple dish at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates. See you next time.